just like cleaning up the gasket area. Spend a little bit of time in here, because in there there's a rubber O-ring. You see it's still a bit manky after a wipe, so get in there and make sure this area is lovely and clean. Much better. A bit of this and a rag. That O-ring is going to be happy. Having to reuse it because this is a kind of a budget job. It's a commuter bike, so customer doesn't have unlimited budget to buy O-rings and everything, so I'm reusing what I can within reason. Yeah. I've already been around it. By that I mean gone from side to side, from side to side. This is just me going around making sure everything's nipped up before I start putting covers back on. Go next. So previously I made my mark there. So if I hook this up on the mark, that's where the gear shift ends up. That's how I met the bike. Now if I make a little adjustment, that's how the gear shift ends up. Yes! So someone's obviously been here in the past and set the gear shift up incorrectly. Just little fixes, just little things can make the owners so much happier. Nice. Don't do the screw. What do you think? Ooh. I'm fixing things. So you can see how many marks are off we are. I have recommended new spark plugs, but there's no money to get them right now. So just got to put the old ones back in. I've given them a bit of a clean. Just how some of these jobs go. Can't wait to get stuck into that. Be nice to reconnect this. I really think we ought to work on this first. Looking good. Crusty nut. Washer. I think we can do better. Never easy. And a bit of a water trap, to be fair. Lovely. Where's that one turning? I noticed this moving when I was trying to tighten it up, so I took it all apart because this needs tightening up. You can't get a span on it, so you've got to put a socket on. Hey, can't believe that was loose. Now we're tightened up. Round two. There's poor O-rings. Just let it go down the threads. Where did this one go? Well, for testing it goes there, and we tidy it up once we know everything's good. So, what a mess. got some new connectors coming. And it'll be the same for this side, snip snip. Possibly a new connector, if I can find where the loom goes. Because although it's a 3-pin, it's only using 2.